Hey, my name is Blake Miller. I am a solution consultant for a Microsoft partner. I live in the United States, in California, and the 90-day mentorship challenge with Mark Smith was an incredible experience, incredibly valuable. Mark is a wealth of experience when it comes to the Dynamics platform, his many years in the industry and the various capacities in which he's worked with Microsoft has given him unique insight into the history of the Dynamics suite of products, as well as sort of the direction that it's headed in the future. The topics covered in his 90-day mentorship program include everything from, public speaking and finding your passion, all the way down to the specific applications and their functions within the Microsoft ecosystem, especially related to business apps. Mark loves to share his knowledge, and he finds joy in the success and growth of others, which I think is awesome. His contributions to the community are ongoing, and his commitment to the individual is definitely inspiring. He finds a lot of satisfaction in helping others find their passions and succeed in this space. I would definitely highly recommend his mentoring program for any that currently work in the Dynamics space, that work with any of the Microsoft business applications, or even those considering pursuing a career in that area. Mark, you're amazing. Appreciate all you do and your efforts to help others around you become better. Thanks so much.